Building a business that can stand the test of time is tough, and building one that can be handed down across 3 generations in the same family is even more challenging. Yet that's just what Sauereisen has been able to accomplish since teenager C. Fred Sauereisen set up shop in our region in 1899. In 2013, the company is still going strong, manufacturing specialty cements and corrosion-resistant materials. Earlier this year, the company was recognized with the prestigious Ernst Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award for Family Business. And J. Eric Sauereisen is president of Sauereisen Inc. Joins us now. Welcome. Good to have you.
Good to be here. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, congratulations. It's tough for any business to make it to 3 generations, but over 100 years, it's incredible.
We've been very fortunate. Sauereisen, if you look at the generational stretch for the last 114 years, it's involved not only family members, but also non-family members and non-family decision makers in the business. And that's what's really also, again, segued us into the present century.
Well, and I think that's remarkable because, yeah, it's over a 100-year span and 3 generations. So you start doing the math, that would be really long tenure of each Sauereisen. So that takes a certain kind of company to be able to manage that transition and leadership from the family to outside the family back to the family.
Yeah, absolutely. At a certain aspect or a certain time frame, a family company becomes a company family. And if you think if you look internally to the people who work at Sauereisen, that's exactly what we have. And those decision makers are charged, and they're empowered with making, again, those long-term, long-focused decisions to keep the company going.
Now, was it always a foregone conclusion you were going to take over the family business?
Actually, it wasn't. I started my career working for someone else, indirectly for a competitor, and is again an opportunity within Sauereisen that brought me back to Pittsburgh.
Okay, so well, for folks who don't understand the company and what the business is, what exactly is it that Sauereisen does?
Sauereisen manufactures a line of protective coatings and linings for aggressive environments. We also manufacture ceramic compounds, ceramic assembly compounds, which are really the root materials of our products.
So, an example of how they would be applied. What kind of industries are they used in? What are they used for?
If we take the ceramic segment to begin with, these are a line of ceramic, again, adhesives and compounds that are used for electronic assembly. If you're familiar with the halogen light industry, you have a glass reflector and you have the lamp. We would be manufacturing a type of cement or, again, adhesive that holds those 2 products together. If you have a silicon carbide igniter and a gas oven or a gas dryer, those elements, again, are held together with a Sauereisen product. We go up to about 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit with those materials. And they can be found in minuscule applications, a little dab will do you, to more large-scale, highly indexed, full production type facilities. Now, the nature of ceramics is that they have a certain degree of acid resistance. So sometime in the 1930s, our founder, C. Fred, changed the base formulas a little bit more, again, on the inorganic or ceramic nature, to be used as, again, linings and refractories and mortars for brick construction, monolithic construction, the steel industry, the power industry. And we've really grown from there in different types of compounds. And we develop these products. We develop them internally through creativity, assistance through our suppliers, consultants at the university level. But the different sectors that we've migrated into, whether it be steel and power, we're also in wastewater, chemical, pulp and paper, food and beverage. As we developed these proven solutions, we garnered a lot of fans, and we also garnered a reputation of being a consultant, a material consultant in these scenarios. So as the field came towards us and posed new and different challenges, we responded to those with, again, newer and different material technologies. It's
got to be a big advantage to have the kind of higher ed and research that we do here in our region, right in your sweet spot.
Oh, without a doubt. With the University of Pittsburgh, Carnegie Mellon, Penn State University, the material science departments have been very beneficial. Likewise, just the business community, whether it be Westinghouse, our founder worked with design elements with George Westinghouse on circuit breaker design years and years ago. These customers have pushed us as much as the universities and the consultants or suppliers have helped us.
So have you gotten more global over all these years?
Without a doubt. Sauereisen is of German heritage, and some of our earlier roots are using some of those connections back to Europe. But on an engineering level, which is where these products are specified, the specifications travel between engineering houses around the world. So in order to support our products and services internationally, we've also grown a network of advisors and distributors and representatives to do that. In any given year, between 30 and upwards about 40% of our business is export.
Wow, it's a tremendous story. Great to hear it, a homegrown success story. The company's called Sauereisen. J. Eric, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thanks.
And when we return, we'll dig deeper into the importance of succession planning and thinking about it now. Stay with us.